everybody, this is Cathy from Cat's Create, and I am back again. Yes, this time I am back because I am doing a VR to Sybil's Memory Decks challenge, and she is requesting that you do a memory decks, and on this memory deck she would like you to put some of your favorite colors. It is due by May the 9th, I want to say. I am not too sure. I can't remember at this time. But I will post it down on the description below just in case you guys inquire about it. So this is my memory decks card that I made, and I just finished making it right now. She does want you to make sure, she wants to make sure that you actually do this memory decks, and I did. Yay for me, yay. So she also wanted you to put your favorite colors somewhere on the memory decks card, and I am going to show you how I did this. So anyways, I did cut my memory decks 4x4, and I have this stamp set, or this dice set, and in reality I've not tried it. I have not worked with it. This is the first time I'm working with it, and it is actually make it pop cutting dice. So I've had this for a while, and I felt very intimidated by using it, so I was kind of trying to avoid it. But now that I've used it, I love it. I really love it. I use this die cut right here, and it doesn't cut out completely. It just cuts out to where the design is at. So that's what this edging right here is, right there. Sorry, I don't know if I was in frame. That's what the edging here, the frame is. So I love how it turned out. For my memory decks cards, I think, well, that's something I'm gonna start using. So that's awesome. As for this cake, I love cake. I'm gonna be honest. I love cake. I love anything sweet. Anything sweet I love. So I had these die cuts or ephemera from My Mind's Eye Bliss, and I know it's wedding type of ephemera, but so many of these ephemeras you can use them for anything. So I went ahead and used this. I know it kind of looks like a wedding cake, but it could be a Mother's Day, it could be a birthday cake, it could be anything. So I put a little bow. This bow I did get from Walmart a while back. I got it in clearance. So it's a set of bows. I don't have it on here, but yeah. And then I put this ribbon right here, or this part of a lace, and this lace I did receive it from one of my weddings, and I want to say it was from Michelle from This and That. So I went ahead and used that on here. And then I had these flat pearl beads like this, and these I bought at the dollar store. So I had some of those. I had these beaded I guess words, and I put a small crepe paper on the bottom, and I put this on top, and there you go. And then and then I had this was a scrap of dye that I had laying around, so I was like, maybe it would look nice. So I think it came out pretty nice. And then I did put some Winkostella on the roses and on basically the beige part. I don't know if you guys could see that. So anyways, this is my memory decks card that I've added on here. And like I said, I don't know if I said, but let me mention it again if I didn't. Blue is one of my favorite colors, as well as green. So teals, aqua, blues, greens are some of my favorite colors. So that's how I incorporated my colors on here. So anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Sybil, you are such an awesome crafter. Love watching you all the time. You're so patient, you're so soothing when you talk, and hopefully you like my memory decks card. Anyways, I will put Sybil's link to her channel down on the description below so you guys could check out her channel, and she is an amazing lady. I would recommend you watch her. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video again, and you guys have an awesome day. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye.